Rubes, I'm so sorry I forgot to show you your maths, but I'm going to do it now. So this is the board game here, and this is you, and this is the person that you're playing with. So the website on Edmodo was Roll Dice Online, and if you select a 9-sided dice and you roll 3 of them and you click on Roll Dice, it will just spit out numbers. So the 3 numbers that got rolled this time was 4, 8 and 4, and the largest number that you can make is 8.44. So the person you're playing with might say, Rubes, what is the digit value of the 8? What's that number worth? And you would say it's worth 8. What place value is it in? And you would say it's in the units column or the ones column. They might ask you what place value column this is, and you would have to say tenths. They might ask you what place value column this is, and you would have to say hundredths. They might ask you what the digit value of this number is, and you could say 0.4 or 4 tenths. And they might ask you what the digit value of this number is, and the digit value is 0.04, or it's 4 hundredths. So that's the biggest number that you can make. Player number 2 rolls the dice, and their numbers are 4, 5 and 9. So the biggest number that they can make is 9.54. And then, Rubes, you could ask them, you could say, how much, or what is the digit value of this number? What is the digit value of this number and this number? You could ask them what place value column they put the 4 in, or what place value column they put the 9 in, and just check if they've got place value. Then it's your turn to roll the dice again. 2, 2 and 4. So the biggest number that you can make is 4.22. And again, they might ask you about place value and digit value, just to check that you remember. So place value is the column that it falls in. So is it in the ones, the tenths, or the hundredths? And digit value is how much the number is worth. That's their roll on the dice, a 2, a 1 and a 9. And they might decide to put it here. 9, 2, 1. And then you can ask them, what place value column did they put the 9 in? What place value column did they put the 2 and the 1 in? Then you can ask them about digit value. So when all of these are full, then we work out who won each round. So the question is 9.54 bigger than 8.44? And the answer is yes, it is. So player 2 was the winner. And then let's say, for example, that we also had this one here. You might work out that 4.22 is bigger than 3.11, and that would make player 1 the winner. And then it's the person who obviously wins the most out of 5. Good luck. If it still doesn't make sense, please come and see me tomorrow and I'll try and explain it in a different way. Thanks.